Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to add form elements to your Canva projects? Canva Mobile provides different form elements that you can easily add to your designs and videos with just a few taps. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add form elements in Canva Mobile on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device. You can open an existing project or create a new project. For this example, I'll create a new video, tap video, then choose the design tab you want to use. For this example, I'll select YouTube video. Next, select a template, continue. Once the video editor opens, tap on an empty area of the design. Then select elements. The elements panel will open. In the Browse Category section, find and select Forms. Canva will display different form elements that you can add to your project. Tap the form element you want to use. The form element will be added to your timeline. You can adjust its position and size based on your project. Once you're finished, tap the checkmark icon. The changes will be saved. To save your video, tap the upload icon. You can choose share or download. For this example, I'll select download. The download screen will appear. You can choose a file type and quality setting or leave the default settings as they are. Then tap download. Canva will begin downloading your video. And that's how to add form elements in Canva Mobile on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.